quadrilateral XWVU with side XW parallel to UV and XU parallel to WV is given. Also given is angle X is equals to Y and angle V is equals to 36 degrees. XUW is equals to 102 degrees and WUV is equals to X. Prove that XWVU is a parallelogram. First of all, you have to first identify any other angles. So we have alternate angle and another alternate angle. My first step, I'm going to write all the alternate angle. So we have XW is equals to angle XW equals to WUV the reason will be alternate angle XW is parallel to VU. And also I can see that VWU, angle VWU is equals to angle WX. Reason will be alternate angle. WV is parallel to XU. After that, I have to see if there are any other triangle. So I can see that this one is a triangle and this one is a triangle. So we have two triangles. So my two triangle, so we're gonna prove congruency between this and this triangle. So I'm gonna say in triangle XWU is equals to in triangle XWU and triangle UWV. So we want to prove the congruency. We know that WU is equals to WU common side. Common side. And also that actually XWU is equals to YWV. So angle XWU is equals to angle WUV. Reason will be proven. Angle XWU is equals to YWUV. Proven angles, and also that the VWU is equals to YWU. Angle VWU is equals to angle WUX. Reason will be proven angles. So we're done. So we're gonna say that therefore triangle XWU is congruent to triangle UWV. So therefore triangle XWU is congruent to triangle UWV. Reason will be side angle. So because we've proven, we know that the side of a parallelogram have to be actually equal. So you're gonna say that Wx is equal to Vu, and also that Wv is equal to Xu. So we're gonna write that. So Wx is equal to Vu and Xu is equal to Wv. And also that therefore XWUV is a parallelogram. So you want to say XWUV is the parallelogram. Reason sides are equal, so opposite sides are equal. Reason will be opposite sides are equal. B said determine the value of y. How are we going to determine the value of y? As you can see, x is equal to v. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite of a angle of a parallelogram are equal. So y is equal to 36 degrees. So angle x is equal to v, raising opposite of a palm are equal. Therefore, y is equal to 36 degrees. So C said determine the value of x. So we want the value of x, this value of x, because we know that 102 is the u angle, but we don't know this value of x, which is in this side over here. We don't know, so we want the value of x. How we're gonna see some of angle in a quad will add up to 360, and find this angle, because we know that opposite angles are equal, which means that w is equal to u, but we don't want w, we want wuv, only that, we only want it, so we are going to work it out. Okay, so I'm gonna say angle x plus angle w plus angle u plus angle v is equal to 360 degrees, sum of angle in a quad. And then I'm gonna say that my angle x was 36 degrees, and then my angle y we don't know, plus my angle u we don't know, plus my angle v, which is 36 degrees, all equals to 360 degrees, and we work everything out. So 36 plus 36 will give me 72 degrees, plus w plus angle u, which is equal to 360. So we know that angle w is equal to angle u. The reason will be opposite angle of a palm. of a parallelogram. So we're gonna say that, okay, W is equals to U, which in case the reason will be opposite angle of a palm. And then we're gonna see that 72 degrees, so I'm gonna choose W, 2W is equals to 360 degrees, and then you work everything out. Minus 72 degrees, and then you like calculate everything. UW is equals to 288 degrees, and then you divide both sides by 2, and you find your W to be 1444 degrees. So because we want the value of X, we don't want the value of W, so we're gonna say the value of X is equals to 144 degrees minus 102 degrees, which will give me 42 degrees. And then we're done.